Prime Minister Narendra Modi holds a no-barred attack on the Congress party. Prime Minister says Congress taking help from the PFI for the upcoming elections. He also says the cafe bomb blast was in fact called as a cylinder blast by the Karnataka government. Law and order situation has gone for a toss under the Congress government in the state of Karnataka. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while speaking in the state of Karnataka, is saying that it's the Congress party which is now taking help from the PFI during the elections. Also said the cafe blast that took place in Rameswaram Cafe was actually called as a cylinder blast by the Karnataka government. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also said that the law and order situation in the state of Karnataka has gone for a toss under Siddaramaiah government.
यहाँ बेलगावी में एक आदिवासी बहन के साथ जो कुछ हुआ, चिक्कोड़ी में जैन मुनि महाराज साहब के साथ जो हुआ, वो शर्मसार करने वाला है कि नहीं है? पीड़ा करने वाला है कि नहीं है? कर्नाटक की प्रतिष्ठा को धूल में मिलाने वाला है कि नहीं है? और देखिए उनकी हिम्मत। हुबली में हमारी एक बेटी के साथ जो कॉलेज कैंपस में हुआ, उसने तो पूरे देश में भूचाल ला दिया है। उस बेटी का परिवार एक्शन की मांग करता रहा, लेकिन कांग्रेस की सरकार तुष्टीकरण का दबाव उसी को प्राथमिकता देती है। उनके लिए नेहा जैसी बेटियों की जिंदगी की कीमत नहीं है, उनको तो अपने वोट बैंक की चिंता है। बम धमाका हुआ तब भी कांग्रेस ने शुरुआत में इसे लेकर गंभीरता ही नहीं है, यहां तक कह दिया ये तो गैस का सिलेंडर फटा था। देश की जनता के आंख में क्यों धूल झोंक रहे हो कांग्रेस के लोग? अगर तुमसे नहीं बनता है तो छोड़ करके घर चले जाओ।
My colleague Anaga is now joining me on the story. Anaga, Prime Minister Narendra Modi gave a fiery speech, spoke about all the recent incidents that shook the state of Karnataka.
Well, Aishwarya, he started off with the horrific assault on a woman that happened in Belagavi. And then he also spoke about the Rameswaram Cafe blast, Neha Hiremat's murder. He has taken up every single issue that had happened in Karnataka in the recent past.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi is in the state of Karnataka and he attacked the Congress party. My colleague Anaga is with me on the story. Anaga, very clearly we are seeing the Prime Minister giving a very fiery speech and spoke about all the recent incidents that rocked the state of Karnataka. Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the state of Karnataka spoke about all the recent incidents, also said the blast that took place in Cafe Rameswaram in the city of Bengaluru was actually touted as a cylinder blast by the government. Also saying that the law and order situation in the state of Karnataka has now gone for a toss under the Congress government under Chief Minister Siddaramaiah.